Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a JewelScent Jewels of America unboxing. This is a monthly subscription. Guaranteed a big candle every month, but then there's also like a mystery item that comes with it. So this month it's the state of Wyoming. Gray Mountain is the scent. It talks a little bit about that. And the mystery item we got is tarts this month. So you don't get a ring in the tarts, but these are full size. And you get a ring inside the candle that's at least a $40 ring. There it is. You also get a little sticker, so I can put that on my map and keep track of all these. Let's take a look at the candle. They all come with a lid, and they've went to this very simple label. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like men. Ooh. Yeah, that smells like a really nice man's cologne. Definitely gonna love that. So I'm going to start burning it, then I'll put it on the warmer to speed it up a little bit, and I'll be back to show you what's inside. Okay, so we did the good old burn some and then put it on the warmer. And when I initially recorded the beginning of this, Jackson was at school, but now he's home, so he's going to help.
Yay.
Yes, and he just took a smell of it. What do you think it smells like?
Pineapple?
No, sir. Don't you think it smells like a guy's cologne? Like when Dad puts cologne on?
Yeah.
Go ahead and start opening it. I mean, it definitely does. It doesn't have an overwhelming scent throw, but you can smell it. I kind of wish it was a little bit more powerful, but it is a great scent overall, in my opinion. I like it. Do you think it smells good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think so. So let's see. Hopefully we didn't get a bulky ring.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need another one?
Yeah, I guess. Throw one to there.
Okay. Go ahead and open it up.
I like rolling it up.
You do?
Yeah.
To get all the wax out?
Squeeze
Alright, well while you're
bit.
taking your sweet time, I'm going to show everybody my updated Easter nails. So I have little chicks on my thumbs. And these ones are just kind of like squiggles. I guess they're supposed to be like eggs. They're kind of hard to see because they're very shiny. But they're really fun. So this is my Easter nails. I'm going to put them on. Once I take these off, I leave them on for like a week and then I'll put them on again. Every pack you can get.
I gotta love the wax. I think it's good enough.
Every Color Street pack I can get 2 manicures and a pedicure out of, and then I have 1 strip left over that I can mix with something
you got
else.
purple one.
Ooh,
Finally,
and
the color one.
it's not bulky. It's really pretty. Let me see one of those. You can throw that other one away. See, these are the rings, the type of rings I'm used to, not the bulky ones like I was getting.
Yay, you're perfect. You got the purple one, finally.
I actually get a lot of purple stones. That one's kind of cool. Kind of like an oval. It has some clear diamond-like stones on the side. That's cute. I didn't even look at the code. PP36, I think that's the $40 one. I always forget because my memory sucks, so I'm going to go ahead and look it up. Yeah, how much do you think it's worth?
Is it high or low?
Well, under 100. What number do you think under 100?
So it has to be higher than 100?
No, lower. Smaller than that.
I know it's not going to be 01. I know it's not going to be one of those.
Hurry up, my battery's dying. What do you think?
66.
Okay, I'll go appraise it. We'll be right back. So this did appraise for the flat $40, which is the minimum with this subscription. There's some detailing on the sides, kind of underneath it. It's a pretty cool ring. Love the shade of purple. Very sparkly. So that is what I got in my subscription. If you guys want to sign up, I have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.